Reliance Globalcom Limited versus DCIT. Section 9(1)(I). 9 subsection 1 class I. Class 1 we can say. The income deemed to accrue or arise in India. The business connection, repair and maintenance services, monitoring undersea cable system to company. Receipts of standalone maintenance charges from TCL had to be calculated on the basis of appropriation of cable length in India versus worldwide cable length. Article 7, Article 12 of OECD Model Convention. Assessee company was rendering services by way of constantly monitoring undersea cable system to the company TCL. Again, standby maintenance charges. It is claimed that the said charges are received only to the extent of relatable to length of cable in Indian territory waters, which is the length of the cable worldwide has been taken as a total revenue for computing the income accrue or arise in India under Section 9(1)(I) of the Act. Lower authorities have concluded that the standby maintenance charges was not in the nature of fee for technical services under Section 9(1)(7). The entire turnover received from Indian parties was liable to be treated as turnover for the purpose of taxation in India. The tribunal in the earlier year of assessee owned cases held that standby maintenance charges would not be assessed as FTS, that is for fees for technical services. And this standby maintenance charges has to be calculated based on the appropriation of cable length in India versus worldwide cable length. What is in the Indian territory and worldwide what does it get? Cable length. The tribunal held that fact that view taken by authorities that amount received by the assessee towards standby maintenance charges by TCL, that is constant monitoring the undersea water cable system, was not in the nature of FTS, that is free for technical service, and was to upheld under the other view of entire turnover of standby maintenance charges was liable to treated as a turnover for purpose of taxation in India. The total amount was liable to be treated as turnover for the purpose of taxation in India. Oh my god. So the company is rendering service, constantly monitoring the cable. So they are collecting some standalone charges for it. What they are claiming is, so the cable length is not only in Indian territory, so how its cable length is worldwide it is. So the amount what we receive, the service what we render is not only for this Indian constitution but also for other length which is worldwide. So you charge income only for the length in India, not in other that is outside India. They have they content in that way. Fees or technical service only for this, not the total receipts. That's what I said. But the tribunal earlier said the income accrued and arise in India done by Reliance Globalcom Limited. So the amount which received in India is totally taxable in India. We come to this conclusion. Oh my god.